हेलो एवरीवन। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी लाइब्रेरी फाइन क्वेश्चन इन हैकरंग एल्गोरिथम। सो यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया है, हमें बुक की फाइन कैलकुलेट करनी है। सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन, अगर बुक इफ बुक इज रिटर्न ऑन और बिफोर द एक्सेप्टेड रिटर्न डेट देन नो फाइल विल बी चार्ज। सो अगर बुक रिटर्न की है बिफोर और बिफोर एक्सेप्टेड डेट और ऑन द एक्सेप्टेड डेट देन फाइन विल बी जीरो। नेक्स्ट कंडीशन में क्या करना है, if book is written after accepted return day but still within the same calendar month and year। so अगर बुक रिटर्न किए आफ्टर द ड्यू डेट but in the same month and in the same year then the fine will be 15 equals into the number of days late। then third one is, if the book is written after the accepted return month but still within the same calendar year। so if the book is written in the next month or after the accepted return month but within the same calendar year then fine will be 15,500 equals into the number of months late। and at the last, if book is later written after the calendar year then the fine will be 10,000 equals। so यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल दिया है। so this is this is a return date and this is a due date। so यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे ईयर सेम है, देन मंथ भी सेम है, लेकिन डेट इज ग्रेटर देन द ड्यू डेट। so the condition will be, what it will be the condition, this is a condition, book is written after the accepted return day but still within the same calendar month and same year as accepted return date then in that case fine will be 15 equals into the number of days late। कितने डेट्स लेट हुए हैं, in this case date late means 14 minus 5, that will be 9। so number of days late मिल चुका है, so fine will be, fine equals to 15 into number of days late 9 equals to 135। so 135 will be the fine। now let's see how can we write code for this। so यहाँ पे इनपुट आउटपुट दिया है, खाली हमें यह फंक्शन कंप्लीट करना है लाइब्रेरी फाइन, और आंसर हमें यहाँ पे रिटर्न करना है। सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन हम क्या देखेंगे, इफ ईयर को कंपेयर करेंगे, इफ y1 इज ग्रेटर देन y2, y1 इज रिटर्न डे, रिटर्न बुक ईयर, एंड y2 इज ड्यू डेट ईयर। सो अगर y1 इज ग्रेटर देन y2 है मीन्स दैट विल बी द फोर्थ कंडीशन। what is fourth condition, if book is written after the calendar year in which it was accepted, so in that case the fine will be 10,000। so in this case we will return 10,000, this is first condition। then else if अगर y1 is greater than y2 नहीं होगा, so next condition में जाएंगे। in this case we will compare month। so यहाँ पे देखेंगे if m1 is greater than m2 and y1 is equal to y2, so this will be the second case। if the book is written after the accepted return month but still within the same calendar year then accepted return date then fine will be 500 equals into the number of months late। so in that case return fine will be what, 500 into number of months late means m1 minus m2। then third case is done। now we will go to the second case, else if, now what we will compare, date। if d1 is greater than d2 and month 1 is equal to m2 and year 1 equal to year 2, in that case what we'll do, return, this means this condition will be this second, if the book is written after the accepted return day but still within the same calendar month and year as accepted return date then fine will be 15 equals into the number of days late। so fine will be 15 into number of days late, in that case d1 minus d2। else else that will be the first condition. If book is written on or before the accepted date, then the fine will be 0. So in this case we will return 0. So these are the 4 conditions we have to write in this program. Now let us run this code. Here you can see the code run हो चुका है. Then submit the code. So all the test cases are passed. So in this way we can solve this question. If you want this code, I will give link of the code in the description. From there you can see this code.